What's up, traders, and welcome back to the Bull Ring. And the question for today is, if your portfolio does not look like this, that means that you did not sign up for my course, guys. Look, I'm gonna leave you a link below. I give you a comprehensive package here for you to learn, guys. Look at the modules. It doesn't take long. You'll take the trades with me. You're gonna get a discount. Plus, I'm gonna throw in the indicator, guys, and let me show you. In the courses, guys, I teach you buy time. Okay, look at this, July 30th. I still have 6 days. I can leave this alone, but guess what? Tomorrow morning, these things are going to be cha-ching. They're going to be sold. Okay, because that's what happens. This will make your month, guys. This will make 2 months for some people. Okay, you have to learn how to do this. Okay, these are option strangles, and I use them when the stock is swinging to protect myself either way. One of them is going to win, but which date do I pick? Which deltas do I pick? When do I buy it is one of the most important things. Okay, you don't buy it in the middle of the day, guys. Okay, take the course, it pays for itself. All right, so let's go on to SPY, guys. What the heck is going on with this thing? It is just boom, going through all these shelves of support. It's done, or is it? And the most important part you need to worry about in this chart, guys, is you see this pink line. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. We are under the 200-day exponential moving average. Okay, and what does that mean when we go under this line, guys? It's going to be a nice fall unless somebody comes to rescue SPY, the whole S&P 500, and shows more sales in here to get them the support they're looking for. All right, so we had support here, guys, at around the 549 area. Done. We had support here at 542. Done. Next area is going to be around the 539 area, and then 532. Guys, I chart with some of the best guys there is out there. I'm in a private room with some master chartists, guys, okay, or chart masters, whatever you want to call them. Okay, and some of the charts we've put together, okay, we are looking at this here even lower. Okay, let me show you how that happens. The S&P 500, guys, always corrects itself 3 times a year. Okay, it goes down 10%. Right now, we are currently at 4.34%, and 10% will take us where? Okay, 507, guys. This is what I was talking about in this area, 507. Some people think it'll go down to around this area because there's more support there. Okay, 507 could happen. Okay, 10% correction, guys, on the S&P. So how do I play SPY, coach? Great question. Check this out. Okay, if you get my private indicator, guys, okay, it's easy peasy. You just have to learn patience. Okay, look at this. Cloud turns red, you jump in for a nice little rundown. That was about $4 there. Okay, that is about $40 on SPX, and then the cloud switches on you, you jump in again. Okay, so on and so on. And then the bullish side, of course, is always going to give us the big bang for our buck. And here we go. Boom. $20 move. What does that equal on SPX, guys? Do the math. Okay. And then now we are falling again. We are falling big because this is normal, healthy stuff. Look, we are down so far. Okay. Like I showed you earlier, guys, we are down 20 bucks. Okay. And that's a 3.67 move. Now, what's going to happen tomorrow with SPY? If I had the answer, would you pay for it? I would. This is how you will learn where SPX and SPY is going, guys. You switch over to the higher time frames, the weekly. Okay, look at the weekly. That is what Wall Street is doing. I don't care what you're looking at. They are playing off the weekly. Now let's take a quick look at these candles, and what I'm going to show you right here is we are just about at the bottom of this cloud, guys. Okay, and guess what happened here? Okay, we can still go down more, and then we will start popping up, which means this was 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 weeks before we recovered. Okay, let's look at this now. Got 1, 2. Guess what is next? Guess what is next, guys? You still have 2 weeks to decide if you're going to pull back up. But what I'll challenge you with is, let's look at some basic stuff. Okay, we'll check out the RSI, and on the weekly level, you can see where the RSI was just super overbought. Look at that. And then it started going down. Now, did the same thing here, and I want you to study this. Okay, no one else is going to show you this on YouTube, guys. No one. Okay, you had resistance there. Okay, and then you have support right in here. Okay, we'll make that a blue line. Okay, on the weekly level, you still have room to fall. Okay, because the last time we did that on the weekly, okay, look at that. Does it match? See that? I'm going to get this arrow out the way. I'm going to move this out the way for a second. And look at this, okay? Very simple, guys. Very simple. If you want to enter trades, boom. See that blue line? It matches that RSI. And the RSI, you can see, we came down and went up, okay? Right here. Went down. And then we went down here. Okay, and then we came back up. And of course, it matches the candles, right? Easy on the weekly, guys. Super easy. Now, okay, what are they doing? Are they going to hold it or are they going to let it go? Okay, this was 4 weeks. It took 4 weeks to get down here. Okay, now, unless we're going to have support right in this area, which is where we're at, and actually we just crossed it. Okay, so this area, we just crossed it. Okay, I think we got 2 more weeks, guys. Okay, now the stock goes up tomorrow. I understand it's going to go up because some people are going to buy the dip and say, oh, I'm buying Apple, I'm buying Microsoft. It's super cheap compared to what it was. Okay, more power to them. Okay, now, what about my new indicator, guys, with buy and sell signals, huh? See what you got on the weekly with SPY? And look at that. We have a separation, the gap here, okay? And last time we separated and started going down, look at what happened there, okay? We were tied up here because we kept going up, but this is that 4-week drop, okay? 4-week drop, guys, and look at where we're at right now. That means that people are selling off. We're already touching this top borderline, okay? Now, we can go down and find support here. I doubt it, though. I think we got 2 more weeks of downfall, so be very careful. So how do you trade this tomorrow, guys? Hey, I want to make some money. What am I going to do, coach? Hey, buy the course, guys. You got to get better. You don't get better by just watching YouTube, guys. That is just a little bit of information compared to what is out there in this market, what is out there on these charts, okay? Now, I'm going to give you one that I think is going to be a nice move if we get there, okay? Right in here, guys, this support, if we get above the 548 area, that's going to be a swing trade for me. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the right of TradingView, and I'm going to set an alert on SPY, okay? And what I do is I come in here and I say SPY is, that's right, swinging, okay? Buy a call option, okay? Guys, it's that simple. That took me less than 30 seconds. There it is. I'm going to get a text to my phone. I'm going to get a text, or I'm sorry, an email, whatever you want, okay? Because this right here is going to turn into this, just like you saw right there, guys, okay? And let's just take a look at that cloud movement. That was a $7.25 move up. If you play SPY, you know exactly how much money you can make, guys. Guys, you need this course. There's a discount down in the description. Don't miss out. Stop losing money. See you on the next video.